everybody, it's the night of day 5 and we are doing great. My husband and I were sitting at the dinner table and he goes, "Have you noticed that you haven't farted?" And I'm like, "What?" But I haven't. We feel really clean, not bloated, not gassy at all. So I said, "Step on the scale, see what it says." And my husband has lost 6 pounds in 5 days. He's almost in, and I'm going to tell you, but shh, don't tell him. He's almost in the 140s, which he hasn't been since college, which is amazing. So he's totally ecstatic. And I'm really impressed with this program, how it implements the gluten-free grains into your diet so you're less bloated and constipated and you really don't have to worry about the allergic reaction. There's a lot of wild rice, quinoa, millet, and those are such awesome beneficial grains, especially if you soak them or if you do have sensitivity to those. If you do soak them to 1 to 8 hours, and then rinse them, you'll have a better digestion use from them and you won't have to worry about the phytic acid around it, so you can actually digest all the minerals from them and use them. The phytic acid actually binds to different minerals in your body and sort of blocks them from the nutrients absorbing, which is not good. Something I learned last year and a half. But this system, if you think about it, is 21 days. I've got a lot of responses that, "How are you doing what you're doing? It looks so good, but I can never do it." I have a reason behind why I'm on this journey. I became really, really sick, and my path is to not let others get sick and educate them before that happens. This is 21 days to get you back to reset, where your body needs to be to maintain health and for you to go forward. You can do anything for 21 days, and the cool thing is, after 21 days, you form a habit. This is habitual eating that you learn how to make these recipes and go forward with a clean plate. That is priceless to me. And I'm doing this journey with my husband so we can help each other do it, as well as help each other to help others in the future, which is priceless. Also, please don't think you can't do it. Yes, it's prep time, and the night befores are priceless for us. We do prep a lot the night before. But the daytime too, you guys can do this. You can cut corners if you want by, chopping things up 2 days in advance for all your meals. You can make the recipe twice as large so you don't have to make it again. You don't have to do the exact same thing that they're saying every day. You can, do something twice, make it easier, but don't think that this is too hard and you can't do it. It's not for the rest of your life. It's for 21 days. Yes, it may be hard at times, but you get over that day and you just continue. The supplements are amazing. They're like second nature now. I set the alarm on my phone. Remember to take them. Without the alarm, I might not remember. But they get you going. This day has been an amazing day. We ate clean before this, so this is just literally teaching us a cleaner way. We've never gone without meat. Myself more than at least a day. My husband the same thing as well. So I think that's a mind battle right now, not having meat in our diet, but it's different. You definitely feel less gassy, definitely. So if you've ever wanted to try going meat free for a little bit to clean out your gut, might be a good idea. Never tried it before, but any advice on why I feel less gassy without meat, please let me know. I would love to know why. I'm thinking it has to do something with the grains in their feed and what I'm putting into my body, but let me know. That would be awesome. So signing off for day 5. Talk to you all tomorrow.